Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can share a spotlight on Snapchat. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically, a spotlight is like TikTok or Instagram Reels, but on Snapchat. The reason why they made it over there was just so it can be versatile. The video is going to be sent right away, and then you can access it right away without actually Instagram being a link. Also, the same goes for a TikTok, and also so you don't have to install or download the video and then send the video through Snapchat. So Spotlight is a nice way and a pretty versatile way, so you can send videos to your friends. Basically, you're going to access Spotlight from the bottom right corner, and now as you can see, I am on Spotlight. Now, once I'm in Spotlight, I'm going to click on this send icon, and once I click on the send icon, as you can see, I can share the Spotlight. I can either share it to I can even share it or download it actually. You can also send it to your friends, and I'm pretty sure you can actually add it. You can remix the snap, okay. And once you remix the snap, you can add it to you create a video. That video is going to be added onto your Snapchat. That's me. Hi. You can add it to your story. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you later.